Do you know the main method the rich use to get rich? It's not about working a single job harder. It's about building multiple streams of income. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down 10 powerful assets that can help you unlock passive income and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Let's kick things off with one of the most traditional yet powerful assets, stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and owning them means you have a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. I'm talking about owning a tiny piece of giant companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. These are companies that have revolutionized industries and continue to shape the future. For decades, stocks have been the secret ingredient in the wealth-building recipes of countless millionaires and billionaires. They have leveraged the growth of these companies to build substantial wealth over time. And you know what? They're more accessible than you might think. With just a few clicks, you can start investing in the stock market and begin your journey towards financial growth. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Stocks? Isn't that risky? It's true that the stock market can be volatile and prices can fluctuate. And yeah, like any investment, there's always some level of risk involved, but understanding and managing these risks is key to successful investing. But here's the thing. Over the long term, the stock market has consistently trended upwards. Historical data shows that despite short-term volatility, the market tends to grow over time. The key here is to approach stock investing with a long-term mindset. Patience and discipline are crucial when it comes to reaping the benefits of stock investments. Don't try to time the market or get caught up in the hype. Market speculation can lead to poor investment decisions and potential losses. Instead, focus on investing in solid companies with strong track records and holding on to those investments for the long haul. This strategy can help you build a robust portfolio. One of the most incredible things about stock investing is the power of compound growth. Reinvesting your earnings can lead to exponential growth over time. And with the rise of online brokerages, it's easier than ever to buy and sell stocks right from your phone. These platforms offer tools and resources to help you make informed decisions. Now, if you're just starting out and the thought of picking individual stocks feels overwhelming, don't worry, I've got you covered. That's where mutual funds and index funds come in. Think of these funds like baskets of stocks. Instead of buying shares in one company, you're investing in a diversified portfolio of dozens, even hundreds of different companies. Mutual funds are managed by professionals who research and select stocks based on specific investment strategies. Index funds, on the other hand, track a specific market index like the S&P 500. This means they aim to replicate the performance of that index by holding the same stocks in the same proportions. Both mutual funds and index funds offer instant diversification, which is crucial for managing risk. And just like with individual stocks, the power of compound growth works its magic over time. Now let's shift gears and talk about a different kind of investment: bonds. While stocks represent ownership in a company, bonds are more like loans that you give to governments or corporations. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to the issuer for a fixed period of time at a predetermined interest rate. Bonds are often considered lower risk compared to stocks, making them a popular choice for investors who are looking for more stability and predictable returns. One of the main advantages of bonds is their predictable income stream. Government bonds, for example, are generally considered very safe, while corporate bonds tend to offer higher potential returns but also come with higher risk. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: real estate. When it comes to building wealth, real estate has been a tried and true method for generations. One of the most popular ways to invest in real estate is through rental properties. Imagine this. You buy a property, find tenants, and collect rent every month. That's passive income flowing directly into your pocket. And as property values tend to appreciate over time, you're also building equity and growing your wealth. Now, if the traditional long-term rental market isn't your thing, there's always the world of short-term rentals like Airbnb. This can be a lucrative option, especially if you live in a touristy area or have a spare room or property that you're not using. Plus, who doesn't love the idea of being a mini hotelier? Let's talk about gold, the ultimate safe haven asset. For centuries, gold has been a symbol of wealth, prosperity, and security. And in times of economic uncertainty or geopolitical turmoil, Gold has consistently held its value, often increasing in price when other assets are plummeting. Now, there are a few different ways to invest in gold. You can buy physical gold like gold bars or coins and store them in a safe place. Or, if you prefer a more convenient option, you can invest in gold ETFs, which are exchange-traded funds that track the price of gold. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of digital assets and online income streams. In today's digital age, it's easier than ever to create content, build an audience, and generate passive income from the comfort of your own home. One of the most popular ways to create online content is through blogging. Think about your passions, your interests, or your areas of expertise. With consistency and a little bit of marketing savvy, you can attract a loyal audience, monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products or services. But blogging is just the tip of the iceberg. And if video is more your style, then why not start a YouTube channel? From educational content to entertainment, the possibilities are endless. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easier than ever to create, host, and sell your courses to a global audience. The beauty of online courses is that they're scalable. Once you've created the content, you can sell it over and over again without having to reinvent the wheel. Let's talk about intellectual property, or IP for short. IP refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs and symbols, names and images used in commerce. Now, here's why IP is so valuable. It gives you legal rights and protections over your creations. This means that you have the exclusive right to use, sell, or license your IP, preventing others from profiting from your hard work. There are different types of IP protection, including patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. Investing in IP can be a smart move for entrepreneurs, creators, and businesses of all sizes. So, if you've come up with a brilliant invention, a catchy slogan, or a stunning logo, be sure to protect your IP. Let's talk about one of the most rewarding and potentially lucrative investment opportunities out there, starting or investing in businesses. This path can lead to significant financial gains and personal fulfillment. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Starting a business? That's risky. And yeah, it's true that entrepreneurship comes with its fair share of challenges and uncertainties, but it also offers incredible potential for growth, financial freedom, and the satisfaction of building something from the ground up. The journey of entrepreneurship is filled with learning experiences that can shape you into a more resilient and knowledgeable individual. Now, if starting a business from scratch feels daunting, there's always the option of investing in existing businesses. This can be a less risky way to enter the world of business ownership, as you can leverage the existing infrastructure and customer base. You can become a silent partner, providing capital and guidance, or you can take a more active role in the day-to-day operations. Each approach has its own set of benefits and challenges, and the choice depends on your personal preferences and expertise. Another option is to explore the world of franchising. Franchises offer a proven business model and brand recognition, which can significantly reduce the risks associated with starting a new business. Whether you're starting your own business or investing in someone else's, the key is to do your due diligence, research the market, understand the financials, and surround yourself with a team of trusted advisors. This preparation can make the difference between success and failure. Remember, investing in businesses is not just about the money. It's about creating value, building relationships, and contributing to the economy. Let's talk about a simple yet often overlooked investment strategy: buying and selling used items. This method is not only accessible but also incredibly effective if done right. Now, you might be thinking, used items? How can that make me rich? Well, let me explain. It's all about finding hidden gems, adding value, and selling them for a profit. Think about it. People are constantly upgrading their belongings, getting rid of perfectly good items that they no longer need or want. These items can range from electronics to furniture, and even clothing. This creates a massive market for used goods, where savvy investors can find incredible deals and turn a tidy profit. You can start by scouring online marketplaces like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or eBay for undervalued items. Don't forget about local garage sales and thrift stores, which can be treasure troves of valuable finds. Look for items that are in high demand but low supply, or items that you can easily repair, refurbish, or improve to increase their value. Sometimes, a little cleaning or a minor fix can significantly boost an item's worth. Buying and selling used items is a great way to start investing with a small amount of capital. It's low risk and can be highly rewarding if you know what to look for and how to market your finds effectively. So there you have it, 10 powerful assets that can help you unlock passive income and achieve financial freedom. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content like this. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your path to financial freedom.